So hear me out, okay? What if simply inviting your friends could turn into a steady stream of rewards? Not just one-time bonuses, but ongoing earnings every time they stay active. That's exactly what Crosswave is doing right now. Crosswave just introduced a powerful new system called Referral, and it's designed to reward you for growing the platform. This isn't your typical invite and forget feature. It's built as a long-term earning engine. Here's how it works. You invite someone to Crosswave, they join, start completing missions, campaigns, or streaming tasks, and every time they earn, you get a share. Simple setup, but the impact much bigger than it sounds. Because this is where things start to scale. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn over time. So it's not just about bringing in a lot of people. It's about bringing in the right people. People who actually engage, people who play, people who stream, and people who complete missions. That's the difference between small rewards and consistent income. And here's what makes it even more interesting. This system shifts the focus from grinding alone to building a network. Instead of just asking how much can I earn, you start asking who can I grow with, because your earnings now scale with your community. But don't mistake it for easy rewards. This only works if your referrals stay active. No activity means no rewards. So strategy matters. Who you invite, how you guide them, and how you keep them engaged. Crosswave Referral isn't just a feature, it's a shift in how you earn, from solo grinding to earning together. So the real question is, are you just playing the game or building something bigger?